Thank you very much. So very warm good evening to our ELTA, Telangana State Body President and General Secretary, and our project coordinator, Mr. Sampath, and all the teachers, all the English fraternity. Very good evening to all. Today we have met here to discuss how to use interactive worksheets or live worksheets for our SCRT worksheets to make children very active, to do the children their work easy way. So in this during this online classes and during this pandemic, it is very useful. Let us see how to use this. Sir, shall I share our screen? Can I?
Yes, start, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. So first of all, let us discuss what are these interactive worksheets. So actually, we know about the traditional worksheets that generally we give to our children and we correct them and we give them back. But here in this interactive worksheets, these traditional printable worksheets can be transformed into online exercise with self-correction. So they get the children get marks their score on itself on the go itself. So what they have to do, they can do the worksheets online, and then they send their answer to the teacher. So then teacher get their score instantly, and students also get their score instantly. So that is the it is totally interactive mode. So the children they can enjoy. They can easily, and it means it is a joyful activity for the children. So then why do we go for these interactive worksheets? So mainly these are motivating for our children, our these 21st century kids. It is very motivating and it is very interesting and it is very joyful. So it's common to our children that they easily motivate towards that work, and they don't feel that they are doing some sort of work. They take it as in a joyful way, so it is easy for them. So at the same time, it saves time for teachers. So another important thing is it is environment friendly as it saves paper, and the new technology is applied to the education. So what is it? This new technology includes we can add YouTube videos, we can add MP3 files, we can add audio clips, everything, and whatever the technology is available for us for the assessment. So that can be utilized or used in this live worksheets. So that is the important thing here. So these generally whatever the worksheets, whatever the activity sheet that we have, the same we can apply here, like fill in the blanks, multiple choice questions, videos and sounds. So many exercises we can explore and many more. So first of all, what we have to
Excuse
do
me.
is
Go to presentation
yes,
mode
yes,
on the top right.
Click on the presentation mode, sir.
yeah, presenter view. This one only, sir. Asking some time, it seems.
It's okay.
Okay, sir. No. So how can we use as usual in any other online tools? We have to register. So by clicking this at this website. So after login, we can make our own interactive worksheets. So after once worksheet is completed, then we can use it. We can share them to other teachers also, and we can share them to our students also. So that is one thing, and we can also make use of some n number of interactive worksheets which are available in this website. So this is what how to register here. For the first time user, they can register like this by providing all this information. So we can register here. Then after once registration is completed, then we can get into a login. Then after that, first thing is we have to make interactive worksheets. That is what our actual works begins here. So for this, what we have to first step is we have to go for live worksheet maker. There is we have a one tab that we have to click that is live worksheet maker. There here it prompts, it opens a dialog box that asks us to upload our worksheet. So here the supported formats are PDF and a JPG and a PNG format only. Doc now at present Doc it doesn't support. So we have to select this PDF worksheet from our computer or laptop. So then once that worksheet is selected, then we have to draw the text boxes on our worksheets. So example, it is fill in the blanks is there. The sun rises in the east. So suppose we have given the blanket rises. So then we have there we have to draw a text box there. Then in that we have to enter the right answer rises. Then like that the remaining questions can be completed in the same way. Then we can go for we can preview our worksheet whether it is properly completed or not. Thereafter we can save our worksheet. Once it is saved, once it is saved, then we can share our worksheet to our students and the teachers also. So here this is the same how to fill in the blanks worksheets. So here same whatever that activity is there. The thing is here whatever the activity that which activity is giving. So we have to well in advance we have to prepare that PDF. So once it is easy, first we have to prepare Word document, then we have to convert it into PDF, then we have to upload. So like this, then this is multiple choices to. Sir, is it visible, sir? Sampath, sir?
Okay.
Hello.
Okay,
Now
Praveen.
multiple
Praveen,
choices.
go on.
Sir. Okay. So how to make multiple choice interactive worksheets? So as usual, we have to upload the worksheet. Then we have to select the text box at one of the options. For example, let us take option A. So we have to draw the text box. There in the text box, we have to type select colon and just give one space and type whether the option is correct or wrong. Suppose it is wrong, then type no. For all wrong answers, type no. For suppose a particular option is correct, then type select colon space yes. So in this way, we have to complete for all the questions that are there in the worksheet. Then we have to complete like this. Then we have to preview and save the worksheet, and we have to continue like that. So like this, we can prepare drag and drop, matching, joining, and we can add some text. We can add paragraph. We can add a video link also, YouTube video link. So like that, and we can n number of worksheets we can prepare and we can give to our children. But here at present, what we are doing only for SCRT worksheets. So in these SCRT worksheets, mainly we find only fill in the blanks. So that is why it is better to get more on fill in the blanks. Not fill in the blanks, multiple choice. Multiple choice, we have to get more acquaintance on multiple choice questions. Now, what are the advantages? Now let us, these are the advantages. This is user friendly and easy to access. And it is one of the best assessment tools. And one more thing is we can keep a record in our account so that all answers, their answer scripts can be saved, can be kept in our mailbox for 1 month. So we can keep it as a record for 30 days. So then, and one more advantage is we can add our worksheets to our Google Classrooms or Microsoft Teams, any learning management system, LMS. So then we can embed that these worksheets in the websites and blogs also. And most important thing is it is very easy. It is convenient to us. That is, we can share this worksheet through WhatsApp. So then the children can easily access that worksheet. So then let us discuss how students can answer the interactive worksheets. So once our sharing is completed through WhatsApp, then the student click the link and they complete it and they can submit to us. So while submitting, we have two ways. One is they can get the children can get the score immediately, or they can send their answer script to the teacher's mail. So we have to provide them our email. Then so their worksheet come to our mail, and there it record. It kept for 30 days. So this is what about interactive worksheet. Is the second way. So it is for just record purpose, and they can also get the score immediately. So then now we get into how to actually. This is a. Let us get into practical mode. Let us go to the live worksheet site. So this is the site liveworksheets.com. So here we have on the top right side, we have teachers access. So here already I have registered. So that's why my login details are seen here. Otherwise we can go for register.
Praveen, we could see your PPT
Yeah.
only, not the website.
Praveen, please change window.
Otherwise, stop this and reshare.
Okay. Hello.
Stop sharing PPT.
Stop sharing PPT and
Reshare it. Your brother.
I got this. This
From Zoom, you stop sharing.
Zoom is it seems that the time is over. No, I came out from the Zoom. That it says the time is.
So close this window.
When are you sharing?
while sharing, select option entire screen, not one tab.
When you can share now.
Okay, Praveen. You could see your screen now. Unmute yourself, Praveen, first.
So these are required for registration. So as already registered, so I can we can straight away go to for login. So this is what my homepage. So here interactive worksheets, make interactive worksheets. Sir, shall I go for one?
Practice mode.
Yeah, practice. Get started. We have to click on get started. Here it is upload your worksheet. Here we have to choose file. So no, this is the part we have to do. So actually, this is verb forms. Here drop and drag activity is designed for this. So here we have given verb forms, base form, past form, and past participle form. Some blanks are given. So suppose this is a drop section here. This is a text box. We have to draw a text box here. And here this is a drop one, first box, no, sir. So drop one. And this past form, we have to draw another text box here. This is drop two. And then here, this is verb form here given a written. Written means write, drag one, wrote, drag two. So here in this given below box, we have to take write. So this is right. We have to again draw a text box here. And this is drag one. Make it as drag one. And wrote is drag two. So select wrote. And this is drag two. So like this, we have to go for the remaining. Shall I continue with this, sir? Shall I go for some other one?
Show one more box.
Yes, sir. So the second one is draw. Draw means we here again drop. This is drop three. Again, we have to draw text box here. This is a drop three. And here this is driven for this is a drop four. Then again we have to take drag three and drag four. Drag three, which what is the verb here? Drive for drag three. This is drag three. Drag three. Driven. This is drag four. So like this, we have to complete the remaining verb form, sir. Then after that, suppose we completed, we finished all the worksheet, drags and drops. Then we can preview here. What happens here?
Screen is
Trusted
not
IP.
moving.
Once you stop sharing and again you share.
Otherwise, refresh the browser there itself.
It shows your connection has timed out and you cannot join the meeting.
Stop sharing, Praveen.
You're already in the meeting.
Yes, but it shows me like
Refresh,
that
sir,
some
try to refresh
connectivity.
it.
Praveen sir,
Bhaiya.
once you stop sharing, otherwise you browse it. It is stuck, right?
So this is also not needed now. We are trying to do only the
Take
SCRT
worksheet.
worksheet. So only MCQs is enough, sir, right now.
Sir,
Let
sir.
us explore on the remaining later.
Sir.
So stop sharing this and go for the MCQs.
Yes, sir.
You take one of our worksheets.
Sure, sir.
Class 8th or 9th or 10th, and how to convert into live worksheet you explain.
Close the tab and reopen the live worksheet. Sir.
Sir, this shall I complete this preview and all those things just
Yeah,
in a 1 or 2 minutes?
Make it. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay, this is a preview section, and here we can see these are selected. Those are not saved. Drop 1, drop 2, drop 3, drop 4.
No issue, leave them, sir. Let us go for MCQs.
Okay, sir.
So we have plenty of time. Let us work with all our makers later.
Sir. So anyhow, we have to finish this one, sir. Otherwise, we won't go for another worksheet. So let me complete it, sir. Just in a moment, sir.
As it is getting struck, I am saying.
That's what, sir. So all this we have to fill, sir. Otherwise, it cannot save. So here it asks, sir, do you want to share the document as PDF? Yes, sir. Allow embedding in other websites. So we have to make it yes, sir, and we have to save. And then this code is generated, sir. That link is generated here, and we can open worksheet, and in our then we can go for our ACRT worksheets are now. And here again we have to upload desktop. Sir, here it is vocabulary and grammar. And here we have to replace the correct word. What is that one in the school? 11th one. Replace the correct word. I was one of my teachers. So this is the first we have to here text box, sir. We have to take the text box. This is first option A. here we have to select, this is a right answer. So then we have to type here, select yes. And then second box, this is wrong one. So we have to select, we have to type select. No. Like that here, winner. Select winning. Select. So like that, we have to go for 12th one, that is next one. Here my sketches and tell me. Tell me means here told. So this is again we have to type select. And correct answer is B, option B. It's getting some difficulty in dragging the text boxes. So this is correct answer. Select yes. Again, select, let me see. Select. So like this, we have to select for all the options, sir. Then we have to finish it. Sir, shall I continue with some other option also, sir? Some other question?
No need, sir. So just what you said is that
Sir.
very easy one. What we need to do for each
Yes, sir.
option, we have to write select and column. If it is yes, yes. Otherwise, select column no. So
Yes,
one
sir.
thing that what we do is
Yes, sir.
every time we need not write select no and all that. Once we write, we can copy this copy this and paste. After drawing the boxes, you can paste. You can
Yes.
copy and paste. Every time you need not type select yes or no. That we do it. And
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yes,
Okay.
all in our SCRT worksheets, all
13.
SR only multiple choice questions are there. So it's easy.
Yes, sir.
So select yes or no. So we go on doing like that. So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
we have understood, sir. Now tell us what to do on completing this all.
Sir, after completing this, we have to save this our worksheet, sir.
Yeah, how to do and all that you explain.
So first we have to go for preview. We have to preview our worksheet. So like this, it shows like this, sir. Means it is that question is interact worksheet is ready for us. Then, yes, here we have two. One is I want to share my worksheet with other teachers. If it is, we do this, it is open for us and we can keep as many number of worksheets as with us, sir. There is no limit, unlimited worksheets we can generate and we can create and we can keep with us. Suppose if you want to keep it, we don't want to share with other teachers, then we can only create, we can save up to 30 worksheets only, sir. That is the limitation. If we share, we can, so we have to click this one and then we have to give all the details. So this is grammar and vocabulary. Otherwise, we can type SCR, TS, SCR worksheets. English and school subject is English as second language and grade this is class 8th. Main content this is grammar and vocabulary. Vocabulary and grammar. Other contents we can take vocabulary also. Age we have to take some age, suppose some 11 to 13 years.
In the place of other contents, we can write the topic name also, no? Or we can write any class,
Yeah,
your class, subject,
you can
suppose
write-
read lesson 1 or lesson 2 or something like that.
yes, yes, sir, yes,
Attitude
sir,
is
this
attitude
is,
like that. You
yeah,
can give the title
treasure
of that
within,
lesson.
sir.
Yeah, title of that lesson.
Yes, sir, the treasure within. This is the treasure within part 1. The treasure within part 1 and description is to twist their students vocabulary, or we can reading on the spot, or we can type here. Do you
Type
want to
of
share other?
question.
So we have to save this. Yeah, sir. And we can this link is generated, and we can open worksheet. So it gives like this, sir. So here our details are given like this, ID number with all this. Here add to my workbooks, we can add this to our workbook and we can download it as a PDF file and we can embed this our website or blog. So these are the options given here. Microsoft Teams, Google Classroom and share through WhatsApp. So like that, sir. And here copy. And here this actually worksheet, whatever we have generated. So this is not completed and later we can edit it, sir. Later on we can edit and we can complete it, sir. So once all this is come over, the children has to attend this one. Then here they can, suppose all this is over, the children has attended it, taken it, then he press finish. So here he has two options, two choices. One, immediately he can check his answers here, or else he can send the answers to the teacher's mail. So like that, sir. So this is what we can share it through our WhatsApp. Here a given link is it, share through WhatsApp. So like that it can be shared through WhatsApp. Or else we can copy this link and we can paste to my WhatsApp is not supporting, sir, now due to some connectivity problems. So anyhow, sir, we can copy the link and we can share it to the WhatsApp, sir. So this is what that we can do this with the worksheets. Once worksheet is completed, we can do like this, sir. Then let us shall we go for students? How to student access the students? Do we have time, sir? Sampath, sir?
Yes, go ahead.
Yes, you can go ahead.
So here teacher access is over, sir. Then we can go for student access. So here student access, the student can log in. Here he has two chances, sir. He can log in directly or he can register as a student here. What we have to do is we have to create a class there in our, we have an option, we can create the class and there they give a class code, group code. So we have to share that group code to the children. Then the student has to enter the group code here. So group, then by entering the group code, the student can join our group. So that is thereby we can share, we can create, suppose we have 6 to 10, 5 classes, we can create 5 groups and we can add all the children into different in their class groups. Up to 100 children we can add, sir. 100 students, that is the limit. 100 students we can add. So there the student can send their worksheets here and we can check their worksheets and we can submit there itself. So this is what about students, sir.
Sir, if we create a code, a group code and share in our WhatsApp, students
Yes,
can
sir.
join there with that, no? Just by
Yes,
clicking
sir.
that,
Our
students can join.
children, our children can join, sir. If we create
Yeah.
a group code. So here, my students add group here. Class 8th already I have created class 7th group here. So I can give add students. I can add students and we can create group also. Directly we can add students here. This is another way we can add students here. Or else we can create a group code also. We share the group code to our children. Sir.
Okay, Praveen, a few questions are there in chat box. Try to.
Yes, sir. Yeah, sure, sir.
How live worksheets are different from Google Forms? One question. And is there any way to share this live worksheet with a group of collaborators? Both the questions.
Yes, sir. How live worksheets are different from Google Forms? Not much difference, sir. But here the children can get score in the generally we award marks, no, sir. Whatever the marks they get and what is the total marks. So they get score like that. So they feel very elated. Google Forms that Google they share just score only, but not like that here. So it is what somewhat their oh, I got so many marks like this. They get some sort of satisfaction. Children can be satisfied with these live worksheets, and it is easy to access also. Of course, Google Forms also easy to access, but the main difference is it is more joyful for the children. It is not just like a form; it is just like a sheet of paper, actual sheet of paper, and the children feel that actually they are writing on their, they are taking the test naturally, so naturally. So that's the main difference, sir. I hope.
Naveen, show me one completed worksheet and how the students submitted, how we can get the score and other.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So in our mailbox, we can have some. Yeah, these are the worksheets sent by the children. So here we can have in our mailbox. No, it is not there. It seems.
Already there is a worksheet, no, that you have already prepared.
Yes, yes. Some worksheets are there. So these are the worksheets I have prepared. This is a word search worksheet, and this is a drag and drop. So which one shall I select?
Multiple choice.
Multiple choice. Multiple choice. Okay, SCRT. This is our degrees of comparison. It's not the degrees of not SCRT one.
Sir, anyone that you have shared with your children and if you have got the responses, that
Yes, sir.
responses you show to us.
Yes, sir. Actually, I have not asked the children to share their responses to my mailbox, sir. So there is one option is here now, sir. Finish. So they got the immediate score here. Check my answer. So they get the immediate score here. Shall I do one here? How
No
to
need.
get the score?
Say any
Attempt
any quick
questions,
and short one.
attempt 1 or 2 questions and click on finish.
Yes, sir.
Even
Yeah,
even
yeah,
two or two answers also enough.
Yeah, this is this fill in the blanks, sir. This one is fill in the blanks. Degrees of comparison. India is one of the fastest. Here we have to fastest. Very few is India as fabulous. Slovenia is more intelligent. So suppose I have attempted 3, sir. Then I have to go for finish. Then here asks check my answer. Suppose I want to check my answer here. Then he get I go, yeah, this is the thing, sir. This is the most important thing for our children. They get attracted for this one only. In the Google Forms, they won't get score like this. That's the main difference. Or else, otherwise we can go for second option. That there, that worksheet, that answer script goes to teacher's mailbox. But one thing is, actually, I have prepared 20 questions here, 10 fill in the blanks and 10 multiple choice. But the total score is 10 marks only, sir. Whatever the number of questions it may be, but the total score it takes 10 marks, and we don't have any option to alter the score. That is maximum score, maximum marks. So that is a small disadvantage here. Actually, here okay, we can give 20 marks here, but we can't because we don't have that option to change the maximum marks, sir. Sir, yes, another question is there. What is that question, sir? Is there any way to share this live worksheet with a group of collaborators? We can share, sir. We can share it to. We can copy the link and we can share it to anyone, sir. Anywhere we can share it. I think so,
But is it editable by others?
sir.
So can others
Pardon?
edit your worksheet? Collaborative work. Can we do collaborative work? So the same to corrected
We,
by others. Means-
Yes. When we share it as a public, not as a private, no. So that
yeah,
means
we can share it to the public and
they will get it and they can own it.
yeah, they can use the worksheet, but they cannot edit it like Google Slides. Just now on the day, Mr. Vinay has edited my Google Slides, so they cannot edit like that worksheet, but they can use the worksheet.
Only owner can do it.
Yeah, owner can edit it.
So Praveen, we can add that worksheets into our workbook and then we can edit also. So look at there are number of worksheets available in the website that you can use it.
Yes, sir. We can edit
Yeah,
work.
sir.
Oh, yes, sir. We can edit, sir. We can edit. Collaborators also edit. Anyone can edit.
No, if you share in the workbooks, you can
Yes,
do
sir.
it. Link you cannot do it.
Yes, sir.
Exactly, it is not a collaborative, but you have
Yeah.
created and put it on the public. So I can copy and I can use it and I can edit like that.
Yes, sir. We can use it. We can use it and we can edit it according to our situations and needs. We can edit it, sir. But here we can add another question here. Suppose this worksheet is there, so no, sir. So 10 multiple choice are given. We cannot add 11th worksheet here, 11th question here. Again, we have to go for PDF document, Word document. There we have to add 11th question. Then we have to again upload it and we have to do it. That is another disadvantage. So whatever interactive worksheet that we have to prepare, and we have to make it perfect with PDF form itself. Before PDF only we have to make it perfect. Suppose in this worksheet actually I would like to add name of the student, class, school name, but I forgot to add. But now I cannot edit this one. I cannot edit here and I cannot insert name of the children and their details here. So whatever the worksheet we want to design, before itself, when in the document itself, we have to complete all the details and then we can upload, sir. Upload as PDF. Sir,
Share the link in the chat box so that they can check.
which one? This link, sir? Which link, sir?